All right, let me tell you why I'm not buying Fenty Hair. So there's a lot of content out right now about Rihanna's new hair care line called Fenty Hair. And maybe some of you watching, you're considering whether you should purchase some of the products. Well, I want to add my 2 cents into your decision making. And maybe this isn't what you want to hear, but I want to share a slightly different perspective just to get you thinking. Okay, so let me start by saying once again, this is my perspective, okay? Mine. Okay, so here it is. I am on a hair growth journey where I'm growing my hair from shaved to tailbone length in 7 years. Now I'm 4 years into the journey and I'm already at around mid back length. So that tells me that what I am doing is working. So my question is, why would I change that? Why would I run out to buy brand new products just because they are owned by a black celebrity? My routine and what I use and everything I do is working perfectly well. So I have no reason to run out to the newest and shiniest toy that's on the block for no reason. That's my first reason. But before I go on to the second, what about you? Comment down below and let me know if you're planning on buying Fenty Hair or if not. And if you are, then let me know your reasons why. And if you're not planning to buy it, then let me know why as well. Okay, so my second reason actually has nothing to do with Rihanna or her name or her brand or anything like that. The thing is, it could be Camille Rose, it could be Sunny Isle, it could be whichever hair care brand is out there. Just because they have a new product on the block doesn't mean I'm gonna run out after it. I want you to think about the fact that products aren't specifically made for your hair. What do I mean? I'm speaking about you specifically. Yes, you that's watching. These products aren't made for your hair in mind. You know what's funny? I've been watching loads of these reviews about the product, about Fenty Hair, and one of them was by a hairdresser, and she used the products on her own hair and also one of her clients, and she absolutely loved it. She was raving about it. She really, really loved the product line. However, I watched it on another person's channel. Now, she has her hair down to her waist. It's long, it's absolutely thick, it's really thick, and it's just flourishing. And when she used Fenty Hair, you could literally see on her face the annoyance that she had to continue through her wash day process with these products that just were not working for her hair. So that's what I mean. Fenty Hair is not made specifically for you. It's made for the masses. And does that mean I'm saying that it's not going to work for you or work for me? No, I'm not saying that at all. I've not tried it, so I really don't know. But that example that I just shared between these two ladies, you can just tell that products, as I said, they're not made with specific people in mind. They are designed for the masses. You see, I am open to trying new things and I have been gifted products at times. But if I personally am going to spend my money on something, some products, I really want to have full use of that product. You know what I mean? I want to finish off the whole bottle. And right now, I just don't need to make changes to my routine. As I said, it's working perfectly fine for me. So I don't want to change it for products that may or may not work for me. But I do want to point out that this is just my personal opinion. And as I said, it is because I just have such a consistent routine. And so if you don't quite have a routine that's working well for you or for your hair, or one where you're seeing growth on a monthly basis without fail, then this length retention routine will show you exactly what I do, and you're welcome to take from it whatever you want and whatever will work for your hair. But listen, Rihanna is awesome. I congratulate her on her hair care line. It looks beautiful. It looks wonderful. You know, she's done really, really well. Go Riri!